Looks like it's about to rain out here because I had to hurry up and get out of that crowd. I'm out of the bar. Now I'm about to head back onto one of these trains and go back to the city, man. Back to Manhattan or something. It's about to crackle. Yeah, man, this storm's about to crackle, man. I can hear it. There's the Coney Island station. All the trains docked in. I probably just missed one train coming out of here. See it? What the heck? Yeah, man, I'm about to head back into Manhattan. It's starting to crackle out here. It's sprinkling, but the rain's not pretty heavy yet. I need to eat something. I feel like having a Burger King burger, son.
Tell me the Mermaid Parade is better on my list.
The Mermaid Day Parade is over. We could head back into the mainland, dude. Yep. Everything's clearing out here. Look at the cops. Yep, there's Coney Island Station. We're shutting this down to get on board. Oh, I almost fell over there.
Wait.
Yep. The parade is over and the rain's about to come down. Look how big this station is. This place was rebuilt 20 years ago.
Glad I didn't bring my phone. Me too. I would like
Yeah, man, it's about to start raining out here. We gotta get on the train or something.